Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our video on the creation of Prophet Adam alayhi salam, the first human being created by Allah. In this video, we will explore the story of Adam's creation, his life in paradise, and his eventual descent to earth. According to the Quran, Allah created Adam from clay, shaping him into a perfect form. Allah then breathed life into Adam, giving him the gift of the consciousness and intelligence. And indeed, we created man from sounding clay of alternate black smooth mud, and the jinn we created aforetime from the smokeless flame of fire. And when your Lord said to the angels, I will create a human being out of clay, for a man alternate black mud. And when I have proportioned him a breathed into him of my soul, then fall down to him in prostration. So the angels prostrated, all of them entirely. Except Iblis, he refused to be with those who prostrated. Allah said, O Iblis, what is the matter with you that you are not with those who prostrate? He said, never would I prostrate to a human womb who you created out of clay from an alternate black mud. Allah said, then depart from it, for indeed you are expelled. Adam and his wife Hawa was placed in paradise, a beautiful garden filled with lush trees and sparkling rivers. They were given permission to eat from any tree except one. And we said, O Adam, dwell you and your wife in the paradise and eat both of you freely, with pleasure and delight of things therein as wherever you will. But come not near this tree, or you both will be of the Zalimun. But Iblis, disguised as a serpent, tempted Adam and Hawa to eat from the forbidden tree. They disobeyed Allah's command, and as a result they were expelled from paradise. O Adam, dwell you and your wife in the paradise and eat both of you freely with pleasure and delight of things therein as wherever you will, but come not near this tree, or you both will be of the Zalimun. Then Shaitan whispered a suggestion to them both in order to uncover that which was hidden from them of their shame. And Shaitan said, your Lord did not forbid you this tree, save you should become angel or become of the immortals. Adam and Hawa was sent to earth, where they would have to work hard to survive. Allah provided them with guidance and instruction, teaching them how to live a righteous life. We said, get down, all of you, from this paradise. Then whenever there comes to you guidance from me, and whoever follows my guidance, there shall be no fear on them, nor shall they grieve. Despite their mistakes, Adam and Hawa were forgiven by Allah, and they were given the opportunity to start anew. They became the first human to inhabit the earth, and their story serves as a reminder of the importance of obedience and forgiveness. The story of Prophet Adam alayhi salam teaches us about the importance of humility, obedience, and forgiveness. May his story inspire us to strive for righteousness and to seek Allah's guidance in all aspects of our lives. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. We will see you in the next video.